Hey besties, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make $2 every minute reading Google emails. Now, if you're new on this space, my name is Christina and I create content like this where I try out different methods to make money as one by your favorite YouTubers on this space. A gentle advice, I think you should subscribe to my channel so you can get information like this as early as possible before you fall into those traps and those schemes on making money online. Now, if you haven't watched my previous video on how you can make money on Google, I'll put it up on the screen now so you can click, watch and learn something new. Now, let's get right into this video. So the first thing you need to do is to go onto your Chrome browser and type in pay to read email. It's going to bring you onto this platform where you're going to click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, you're going to fill out the information, which is usually your name, your last name, your zip code, and just create a password that you can easily access your page with. Then I'm going to click on sign up and I'm officially signed into the website. And now they say thank you, your account has been activated. So now I can proceed to other options on this website. So bear in mind that when you register, they gave me a $3 sign up bonus that I cannot withdraw, obviously, because I have to make about $15 on this website before I'll be able to cash my cash. So here are a few ways to make money. So they said cash surveys, cash offers, endpoint, and let's just try the cash surveys. Let's see if I can make money through the cash survey before we proceed on to reading an email to make money. So now I'm seeing top surveys on this platform. I'm going to just pick one and just try to perform a survey and just share my opinion, as that is what surveys are always about. So now I'm seeing earn 60 cents by performing this survey. So I'm just going to click on that and it brought me onto this platform and started asking me to fill out information and pick out years, date of birth, name, location, things like that, zip code and other information that are quite sensitive. So after that, I'll click on continue and then I'm going to go on, and they say they're looking for surveys for me. So they said like these surveys that are available, so I should just pick one of these surveys. So I'm just going to click on them and they started asking me, are you currently living in Nigeria? And I clicked on yes, I'm from Nigeria. And then I'm waiting for the site to load again, and they said we collect some data to make your survey experience better. Your information is always anonymous. I agree, and let's start the survey. So now they said I should impute my phone number. I'm going to impute that right about now so that I can progress further with this survey and just see if I can end that 60 cents that they promised me at the beginning of this website. So now that I've imputed all my information, I'm imputing date of birth as well. I'm just going to wait for the website to load, and I'm also going to pick my month of birth. You can pick any month. This is just for illustration when you're doing yours. That's if you choose to do this at the end of this video. You can just be honest about everything, because like you're going to get paid according to them. So they say what is my postal code. I imputed my postal code. If you don't know how to get your postal code, just go on to Chrome and search for your location's postal code and you get it. So they say in order to be able to activate all available, so we need your email address. However, the information is voluntary. If you do not want to give us your email address, we can unfortunately not show you all surveys. So I say, yeah, I want to access all surveys, like, because I need to show you guys every single thing on this website. So now I'm going to impute my Gmail account, and they said, okay, are you a man or a woman? I'm choosing a woman. They didn't give like other options in this work generation of non-binary and things like that. So you either have the option of a man or a woman, so you just pick one of the two. I just picked English as a language that I understand fluently, because that is like my language that I understand very, very well. And unfortunately, they've loaded and they're saying that unfortunately you did not qualify this time. It seems as if the partner is looking for a different target group. Please try another survey. So something about this survey is that at the end of the day, you might not get any surveys at all.
like at all. You might not see anyone that is going to, accept you, because you don't really know their criteria, and they don't want you to like tell a lie to them, so they ask the questions from you. They don't tell you the criteria, so they don't tell you we are looking for a doctor, because if they say we're looking for a doctor, you can just say I'm a doctor. So I've tried the second survey and it's still saying the same thing, so I just left the survey part. Let's just try something else. So now I want to try to read an email as this video suggests, which is the major thing that this video is about. So I will just click on read email. Let me read email and make money off of the email that I'm reading. So yeah, I clicked on earn money reading emails, and they said I need to activate my account to earn cash. So now I'm just going to, try and activate my account because I need the money. So I'm just going to go to my mail and just click on the activate your paid to read email account. So now that I've activated it, they said I can start earning money now. But the thing is, now I'm clicking on this page to read email, and they are saying that my inbox is empty. So there are no emails for me to read at this time. So this is really, really crazy, because I just thought that if you're calling your website a paid to read email, that when you read email you're going to be paid. That means you're always going to, have emails. But the thing is that the inbox is empty at the moment, so I can't do anything about that. There are no emails for me to read, and so which translates to no money. So now I'm going to just click on my account to see how the payment structure works on this app. So I'm just going to click on more, and then you see you can refer friends as well. So if you copy this link, you put it. So now I've clicked on my account. I'll click on withdrawal so I can see how to, request payment. So you're saying that my current cash balance is $3. You must earn at least $15 to request a payment. So now there's no way I can withdraw because my money is not up to $15. I've tried performing tasks like trying to read an email and performing surveys, but I've been rejected in all. So I don't think this website is worth your try at all. It's a complete waste of time. It's going to leave you drained and angry and annoyed, because you're going to put in your time in trying to, do something lucrative or something that is going to help you with a little financial boost. And at the end of the day, you're going to get no, no, no. If your website is saying that you read an email and you get paid, it is only very it is only advisable that when people come onto your platform, they at least see an email that they can read. But in this case, obviously it is nothing like that, and I would not advise anyone to go onto this website to perform any
So
task.
guys, we've come to the end of this video. I've shown you guys that it's literally impossible for you to do this, because I think a lot of these websites are scam, where they just gather for people's information. I think when you stay longer on websites, they'll be able to make money from that as well. So I think this is what they do every time they invent a new way for you to make money online. Is they just want you to come onto their website, spend time on their website, so they will make money from your presence on their website. If you found this helpful, I would suggest that you subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications so that more videos like this can come your way as early as possible. So guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.